Hey everybody, coming to you in the middle of a cook here. Breakfast. We're making omelets. So what I started with here is I took a pan, heated it up, made a nice bed of bacon and onions, cooked that up a bit, added some celery on top of that, some peppers, and then I followed that up with grating a whole carrot on top. So I've got this nice little fried veggie thing going on here, and I'm going to just take that out of the pan for now. And I'll replace it with some butter. Well, that melts. Get cracking. Like we say in old country, egg salad. To this I like to add a bit of salt and pepper. And to really get it smooth, you want to actually hit the egg up off the side of the container, so you break it in between the fork and the container. Once that's stirred, you got a nice butter-filled pan. Just pour it in. When it comes to making an omelet, you're going to want to get enough eggs to fill the bottom of the pan. After that, I don't think my pan's quite hot enough. You want to just pull that egg from the outside of the pan into the inside while it starts to cook here, so you keep that cooked nice and even. Pan's not quite hot enough here. It should have been a little bit hotter. But you'll see it slowly start to thicken up. Every 30 seconds or so, you're going to want to move them around while it's still in this nice fluid state. While we're waiting, I'm going to grate some cheese. There we go. Starting to cook now. Watch while you cook. Especially when all it is just a quick and easy rinse. You can also start putting stuff away while you cook. And see, at this point, you've completely ruined your attempt at an omelet. And so, you can really just take what you made earlier, throw it on top, and you've got a scrambled egg mixture that'll even make your grandma cry. It's so nice. When you're adding something that hasn't been in a pan into a pan, you're going to cool it down just by the temperature of what you're adding. So almost any time you add something, you're going to want to heat up the pan just a little bit quickly if you want it up at that temperature to cook it faster. And then just be conscientious of the fact that you've turned it up and turn it back down when it does get up to that temperature you're looking for. Hot sauce time. Oh no, I finished it. I really like this one. I think this one's from Mexico. You can probably get it here. It's the 21st century. And there are too many veggies anyways to make this an omelet. I needed like 2 or 3 more eggs in this. Too much turbulence. Last but not least, play monkey play. Cook monkey cook. Just determined to have no focus this morning. Where's my temperature? What's this stupid pan doing? It's like a broken element or something. Just can't turn it up hot enough to cook damn eggs. Now that it's finally up to temperature, I've turned the heat off. And with the latent heat of the pan, I'm going to cook the rest of it. The eggs will have heat in them too. So, just be warned that it is possible to have them cook just a little bit more after you've already taken them out of the pan. But they're still nice and juicy, but there's some structure to them now, so I'm happy with where we're at. Onto the plate they go. It's no omelet, but it's a delicious looking scrambled eggs delight. Today's the day. Have a nice breakfast.